Hello guys, welcome to Afsar Alam, the Knowledge Hunger. In this video, I am going to show you how to attend a driving test, an online driving test in Kuwait. Since I am in Kuwait for long years and now I am going to attend a driving test, before I go for a driving test, I would like to attend an online demonstration which is given by Kuwait government. I would like to share with you the video how you can go through an online test. If you will attend all the demos, you can easily pass the online test. It is not so tough, it is very easy and you can easily pass it 100 out of 100. So I'll give you an overview. There will be around 20 questions and you have to pass at least 50%, that's all. And the question would be very easy. Okay, so the website link I will give in the description below, so don't worry about. But the website is ttd.moi.gov.kw. so in this link, if you go, this screen will come. The screen you are seeing in the video, the same screen will come. So you have to select here the language. Okay, so if you will select English, the test starts immediately. Here I would like to tell you a few things. Here, time to current question, so you will have around 30 seconds to answer one question. It is a demo since there is no civil ID, and here it will be your name. In actual, your name will show in actual exam. Time to do test is 10 minutes, so 20 question total and you have only 10 minutes to attend. Okay, and you will get your result almost immediately. Okay, so let us start. This is our first question. There is a logo and it says, what does it mean? So it will mean, of course, road narrow. Okay, so it is road narrow. Wherever it is green tick, okay, that is what I am selecting. Okay, the answer you will select is become green. Okay, and at the end of the 20 question you will get the result. Okay, so here is the two car coming and there is a round. Okay, that means no passing, no overpassing or no passing. Okay, and the third question is, using the shoulder lane allowed for, so shoulder lane is only allowed for emergency only. Okay, and the fourth question is the opposite triangle. Okay, so reverse triangle, that means give way. Okay, that means give way. This circle in blue and cross in red means no stopping and no parking. There is three options, but you have to select only one. Okay, so it will be no stopping, no parking. Okay, here is the yellow and black marking. With black and yellow means taxi stop, no; bus stop, no; no parking. This one, no parking. Okay, the seventh question is, red circle means what? All red circle and solid red circles means prohibited. Yes, so this is the right answer. Okay, question number 8 is, priority in the roundabout for car comes from the left. Because I read a lot, so I know from the left. If in roundabout, if you are and from the left something is coming, you have to give the way. Okay, so left is the right answer. And in the ninth question is, the white mark with a red and it is in blue, so no thorough road. The first answer is the right answer, no thorough road. Okay, the 10th question is, there is a triangle and some children is walking, that means children playing. Okay, so it is the right answer. 11th number is triangle with a black marking, so you can easily judge traffic from left, no; traffic from right, no; curve to left, yes, this is the answer. Okay, and select the right answer. Here is, you can see a bridge and road is passing, that means passing not permitted, not stopping or parking, no. The third answer is the right one, motorway. Okay, here is stop means, stop means the octagonal 8 side means stop, so this is the first answer is the right answer. Okay, here in this question there is 2 arrow and one is blocked. Okay, that means right lane closed, interaction ahead, electrical danger. So right lane, because right side is blocked, so right lane closed. And the 15th question is, you have a red circle with black marking turning to left, but it is cut, that means what? Traffic from left, no; left then right curve, no. No left turn, this is the correct answer, no left turn. Then the 16th question is, one triangle in red and one man is walking. So children playing, no. Gravel rock road, no. Pedestrian ahead, so this one is pedestrian ahead. Okay. The 17th question is, there is a red triangle with a zigzag sign, that means danger. So you have to find what is the correct answer, danger road, road narrow, or no entry. So it is danger road. Okay. Here is the white block, inside there is a green block, and inside there is 3 white blocks. So 3 means 100, no. 200, no. 3 means 300 meter to exit. Okay, exit ramp. So this is the correct answer. And 19 is the red triangle. What it says, what does it mean? So here all triangle warns us to take caution and advises us on the hazard ahead. Of course, yes, this is the correct answer. And this is a black line, and another side of the black line there is a dotted white line. That means there is 3 answers, you have to select one of them. No passing, passing permitted both side, passing permitted for side with broken line. So this is third answer is the correct one. So here I have attended all the 20 questions. As you can see, all the bulbs are yellow from red, and I am almost at the end. So here is the question is, are you done with the test? If I select yes, then it will show the result, and it is written, show result. If I select no, it will go back. Okay, you can retest again. So I will select yes, and I will see how many marks I scored or how much percentage I got. Probably I will pray to God that I should get at least 100% right. I believe, I'm sure I will get 100%. Let's check. Wow, I got 20 out of 20. See, can you see here 100%? Can you see here the arrow mark? See, 100%. So wrong answer is 0, and this was demo. I got 100 out of 100. So here, like this, you can get the answers. Okay, the right answers for each and everything. If you want, I can zoom you and I will let you know what is the right answer. Okay, so here it is. This is the website that you have to go and take the test. This is the demo, null and demo, and 100% I got. This was the first question. Okay, road narrows. This was the second question, no passing. This was the third question, emergency only. This was the fourth question, give way. This was the fifth question, no stopping, no parking. This is the sixth question, and I have to slide it up, no parking. Okay, and then seventh question was this. All red circles means solid red circle means prohibited. Eighth question is priority in the roundabout for car comes from the left. Okay, question number 9 was no through road, and question number 10 was children playing. Question number 11 was curve to left. Question number 12, motorway. Okay, this logo says motorway. And question number 13, this logo says the octagonal 8-sided sign means stop. Okay, and 14 number question, right lane closed. 15 number question, no left turn. 16 number is pedestrian ahead. 17 number is danger road. 18 number means 300 line is there, so 300 mm to exit, 300 meter to exit ramp. 19 triangle, all triangle wants us to take caution and advises us on the hazard ahead. Okay, and 20th question was passing permitted for side with broken line, and here they are saying something in Arabic. I could not read. Okay, I can read and write Arabic, but I could not tell you what is the correct answer. Okay, what correctly it is written, because I don't know translation of Arabic. Okay, so that's all guys. Hope you have understood how the test will work there, and you can go in this website and you can take this demo test again and again and again, and all the time you will have different questions, so that you can acknowledge all questions and you can easily pass 100 out of 100. All the best, all the luck. and have a great day. Bye bye.